Samsung is going big with S23 Ultra. Hey, what's going on guys? Welcome back to the channel. Hope you all are doing well. Things are getting clear for the Galaxy S23 Ultra. We have recently looked at Samsung's latest foldable phone Z Fold 4 and Z Flip 4, and now the news are started regarding the Galaxy S23 Ultra. You guys will be surprised by the new decision that Samsung has made for the S23 Ultra. According to Samsung tradition, we may see Galaxy S23 Ultra will release somewhere in February next year, along with S23 and S23 Plus. And Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra could be a next big thing for Samsung, and new 200 megapixel that Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra will feature has not yet released. Before moving on, if you like the content, make sure to drop a like, subscribe to the channel, and comment down below Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4 or Galaxy S23 Ultra. Which one would you get? Samsung is going to surprise us next year with the S23 Ultra. Finally, Samsung made a decision to go with the single processor, the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 worldwide. So all the devices will share the same performance across the world. And this is by far the best decision Samsung had made for the S23 Ultra. We all know what happened with the S22 Ultra Exynos variant, the display issues and all. And this time, Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 will be fabricated by TSMC on 4nm chipset. The Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 will be unveiled later this year, and the S23 Ultra will get in the first quarter of next year. Meanwhile, Samsung is not going to change the Galaxy S23 Ultra battery. We will get the same 5000 mAh battery on the S23 Ultra, same as S22 Ultra. But with the new processor, we might get a better battery backup than the last generation. And one thing to notice, the Samsung can do this, since Z Flip 4 performing very well on 3700 mAh battery, even better than the S22 Ultra. And we might see a same 45W fast charger, but with the new algorithm to charge fast even more. By the time, we all know Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra will feature 200 megapixel sensor, but do we even know which one? Samsung so far released two versions of 200 megapixel sensor, ISOCELL HP1 and HP3, where HP3 is a mid-range sensor and HP1 was revealed last year, which is featured in Motorola X30 Pro, which was revealed on 11th of August. But Samsung is planning to reveal another sensor with the name HP2, which will feature in the next Samsung's flagship, the S23 Ultra. So with that being said, if you came this far, drop a like, subscribe to the channel, and comment down below Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4 or Galaxy S23 Ultra. Which one would you get? I'll see you next time. Till then, peace out.